Dead weight pages. These are low quality pages, should be removed in order to improve the overall SEO performance of your website. Now, how to remove these dead weight pages or low quality pages? Okay, let's start. Let's know first the types of dead weight pages. First is the outdated service pages and content, such as your old blog posts or articles. Next, the low quality or thin content. Those content or page contents with a very small number of text or a duplicate content. Next, the category or archive list pages. Okay, most of the category or archive lists are just pulling information from individual pages, so they are duplicate pages. Confirmation or thank you pages. Search pages. The same thing, search pages are just pulling data from individual pages, so they are duplicate pages as well. Okay, take note about this. This is the reason too why we are going to remove the dead weight pages. Too many low quality pages in the index keeps the rest of your content way down, causing it to underperform in search results. So it's really necessary to remove this low quality content pages or dead weight pages. Now let's proceed the action steps. Okay, so we have to find out among the number of pages the low quality pages of your website. How to do that? With the help of the sitemap, you can have the list of the pages and blog posts and other files also. So sitemap.xml. If ever your website has no sitemap yet, you can skip this. You can pause this video and proceed to this part, this training video, create XML sitemap. Okay, let's assume you have already a sitemap of your website, so let's make it use for the removal of the dead weight pages. Okay, you can see here the blog post, so click on that. The page sitemap, right? So here, for example, this is the post, right? Okay, for example, this. So our SEO experts will go through all these pages. They have to analyze if a certain page is a low quality or a dead weight pages, and then they will recommend for removal or else recommend for adding additional content, just like this one. So it's obvious is a low quality page with a thin content, very small amount of text here, so we could recommend for adding content or remove this page, or if not, just work on adding no index on this page, or the other way is to disallow on robots.txt. We'll tackle that later. Okay, so that's it. So how about this one? Okay, let's wait. Okay, the same thing, very small number of text. Okay, so this is the way on how to identify or find the thin pages of the low quality pages of your website or dead weight pages. Now how to remove, okay, this dead weight pages. So we have to, for example, go into the dashboard. If it's WordPress, we need to install all-in-one SEO pack plugin, as well as the robots.txt editor. Okay, for example, here you go to the pages or the page that has a low quality content, and then if you have already decided to remove it from the eyes of Google, so there are ways to do that. First is to, let's say, add no index to the page. The second way is to add a disallow in the robots.txt. The third way is to delete the file on your server. Okay, but we choose the first two, then removing. It's up to you. If you like to remove it from your server, that's fine. If the file is totally low quality or not necessary anymore. Okay, for example, this one. So if you have installed SEO all-in-one SEO pack, you can have these fields. Okay, here it is. So as you can see here at the bottom part, here, all-in-one SEO pack. Okay, then you can see here no index. So you just click this no index if you want this page to be removed from the eyes of Google. Okay, so it's very simple, right? Now we also use robots.txt in order to to speed up the removal of other low quality pages, especially for those archive pages, right? Using the all-in-one SEO pack is necessary for individual page with low quality content, but if with regards to archive pages, tags, just like that, and so on, where there are hundreds of the same type of low quality pages, we can make it fast, speed up the process by using the robots.txt. Here, you just go here in plugins and then find the robots.txt. Here it is, settings, and then in this part you see here disallow. It's a way of telling search engines to not include these files in their indexing. Okay, so as you can see here, it's using a wildcard. So disallow this one, right? So disallow search, this one. So as you can see here, it's a wildcard. Okay, that's it.